Today's featured car of the day is a 1955 Plymouth Belvedere Sport Coupe with a surprise under the hood, a Hemi V8 and dual quads. And this one was a beauty. It was a recipient of a nut and bolt restoration and had a nice two-tone interior, red and black to match the red and black exterior. And this one also had the rear factory air conditioning, which not too many of the Mopars had back in the mid-50s. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where it was getting a lot of lookers and had the upgraded underdash air conditioning with the vintage air unit under the hood. But you can see the Hemi V8 under the hood with the dual quads. I'm not sure what size engine it is. The owner wasn't anywhere around, so I couldn't ask any questions, but looks to me like it's probably a 331 Hemi, and going to be a lot better than the six-cylinder or the little V8 that they had in it back in the day, because the Hemi wasn't available. This Hemi made a big difference, I'm sure, to it as far as the power. For 55, that was all new, the Plymouth Belvedere. All the Plymouths underwent a major overhaul for the 1955 model year. And this was the first year for Chrysler stylist Virgil Exner's forward look. And the Belvedere was the top-of-the-line model, which is what this one is. As far as production numbers go, in 1955, Plymouth sold a total of 705,455 cars. And out of that, the Belvedere looks like they had about 47,375 of the sport coupes, hardtops, for 1955. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1955 Plymouth Belvedere Sport Coupe with added Hemi V8 with dual quads. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. In the meantime, enjoy the rest of the video. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, and consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.